Everyone, today I'm here with this 2016 Toyota Prius C, and this thing is amazing. It is a hybrid, so you have that amazing fuel efficiency, that mileage. You also have a great interior with a media center and more. I'm Alana here at WowWoodys Automotive Group in Chillicothe, Missouri, the highest rated dealership in Middle America and Dealer Rater's Dealer of the Year for 2017 and 2018. You can find out why by going to over10,000reviews.com. So it comes in this dark gray exterior color. You have your Toyota badge right there in the middle with these projector beam headlamps, fog lamps below that. This has a 1.5 liter engine. It also has that hybrid synergy drive, so it gets anywhere between 46 and 53 miles to the gallon. So that is just what the Prius is all about, that amazing mileage that you can get in it. And then looking down at your wheels, those are 15-inch wheels. Your side mirrors have those indicator lights on them, and they are power adjustable. Looking at these front seats, we have these black cloth seats with that kind of a light gray insert with that pattern in the middle. Really comfortable seats. And then looking at your steering wheel, you have your media controls, Bluetooth streaming, and your cruise controls are right here. And then looking over at your media center, you have your CD insert up top. All of your radio options with your presets are on the sides. You have all of your apps on these pages, including your phone settings, so you can connect your phone with Bluetooth, and then all of your other media options there, your Bluetooth settings, and your vehicle stuff. All of your different settings can be found on those pages. You also have your climate controls there. You have the LCD display, which will show you what temperature you're at. You also have two cup holders here, little storage compartment. Have your shifter, which I love that blue on the top. And you have all of your traction control, eco mode, EV mode buttons there. And then lots of room inside of your center console. Then looking right here, you have a aux port and a USB port right there. So let's look at the back. Okay, so looking in the back here, you have room for 3 passengers. You also have a cup holder that folds out right there. And then making your way around the side, you have a little bit of a lip spoiler and your back windshield wiper with your hybrid synergy drive and your Prius C badging. This is a hatchback, so let's just open that up. And you have lots of room in the back right there. All this mat as well. So overall, amazing vehicle. Love that it's a hybrid, super quiet as well. But yeah, I love that mileage that you get. Really comfortable interior as well. So if you want to see this Toyota Prius or any of our other vehicles, visit our website, WowWoodys.com, or come see our 15-acre mega lot. I'm Alana. Until next time, wow.
I'm from Lincoln, Nebraska.
I'm from Riley, Kansas.
I'm from St. Joseph, Missouri.
Yeah, we live in Lee Summit. It was a 2-hour drive up, and it'll be a 2-hour drive back.
And it was well worth it.
Well, we have bought 2 vehicles in 3 weeks, so I think that says quite a bit right there.
What do you think differentiates WowWoodys from other dealerships?
Price and quality.
I have so many different vehicles on the lot.